हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर यानी डीएमएस में यूनिट नंबर 3 के अंदर ले रहे हैं लेक्चर नंबर 21। इसका टॉपिक है कॉम्बिनेटरिक्स। इसमें पहला जो कॉम्बिनेटरिक्स है वो आता है बाइनोमियल थ्योरम। द बाइनोमियल थ्योरम स्टेट दैट फॉर रियल और कॉम्प्लेक्स ए बी एंड नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एन a plus b whole raised to power n equals to summation k equals to 0 to n k या n c k a power of n minus k b power of k, where n k equals to factorial n upon factorial k factorial n minus k is a binomial coefficient. In other words, the coefficient when a plus b whole power of n is expanded and like terms are collected are the same as the entries in the nth row of Pascal triangle. For example, a plus b whole power of 5 equals to a power of 5 plus 5 a raised to power 4b plus 10 a raised to power 3b square plus 10 a raised to power 2b cube plus 5 a b raised to power 4 plus b power of 5 with 1 equals to 5 0, 5 equals to 5 1, 10 equals to 5 c2, 1 equals to 5 c0, 5 equals to 5 c1, 10 equals to 5 c2 etc. Generalization. The binomial theorem was generalized by Isaac Newton, who used an infinite series to allow for complex exponent for any real or complex a, b and r. A plus b whole power of r equals to summation k equals to 0 to infinity r c k a power of r minus k b power of k. Binomial expansion. Example: expand 3x minus 2y whole raised to power 5. Start off by figuring out the coefficient. Remember that these are combination of 5 things k at a time, where k is either the power of on the x or the power on the y. Combination are symmetric, so it does not matter. C50 equals to 1, C51 equals to 5, C52 equals to 10, C53 equals to 10, C54 equals to 5, C55 equals to 1. Now throw in the 3x and 2y terms. 1 3x power of 5 minus 2y power of 0 plus 5 3x power of 4 minus 2y power of 1 plus 10 3x power of 3 minus 2 multiply minus 2y power of 2 plus 10 multiply 3x power of 2 multiply minus 2y power of 3 plus 5 into 3x power of 1 multiply minus 2y power of 4 plus 1 into 3x power of 0 multiply minus 2y power of 5. Raise the individual factors so their proper powers. 1 into 24 into 243 into x power of 5 into 1 plus 5 into 81 x power of 4 minus 2y multiply minus 2y plus 10 into 27 x cube multiply 4y square plus 10 into 9x square into minus 8y cube plus 5 into 3x into 16y power of 4 plus 1 into minus 32 by power of 5. Simplify each term to get the final answer. 243x power of 5 minus 810x power of 4y plus 1080x cube y square minus 720x square y cube plus 240x by power of 4 minus 32 by power of 5. Finding the k terms. Find the ninth term in the expansion of x minus 2 by whole power of 30. Since we start counting with 0, the ninth term is actually going to be k equals to 8. That is, the power on the x will be 3 minus 8 equals to 5 and power on the minus 2y will be 8. The coefficient is either C13.8 or C13.5. Combinations are symmetric, so it does not matter. C13.8 multiply x power of 5 multiply minus 2y power of 8 equals to 1287. X power of 5 256 by power of 8 equals to 3,29,470 x power of 5 by power of 8. Example: find the coefficient of independence term of x in expansion of 3x minus 2 upon x square whole raised to power 15. Solution. General terms of 3x minus 2x 2 upon x square whole power of 15 is written as tr plus 1 equals to 15 cr, 3x power of 15 minus r minus 2 upon x square whole power of r is the independent of x if 15 minus r minus 2r equals to 0 or r equals to 5. T6 equals to 15c5 3 power of 10 minus 2 power of 5 minus 16c5 3 power of 10 2 power of 5. Example number 2. If the coefficient of 2r plus 4th and r minus 2 term in the expansion of 1 plus x power of 18 are equal, then find the value of r. Solution. The general term of 1 plus x power of n is tr plus 1 equals to cr x power of r. Hence coefficient of 2r plus 4th term will be t2r plus 4 equals to t2r plus 3 plus 1 or 18c2r plus 3. The coefficient of r minus 2 term will be tr minus 2 equals to tr minus 3 plus 1 equals to 18cr minus 3 or 18c2r plus 3 equals to 18cr minus 3 or 2r plus 3 plus r minus 3 equals to 18 where ncr equals to nck or r equals to k or r plus n equals to k. So r equals to 6. Next example, if a1, a2, a3 and a4 are the coefficient of any four consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x power of n, then prove that a1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a2 upon a3 plus a4 equals to 2a2 upon a2 plus a3. As a1, a2, a3 and a4 are coefficient of consecutive terms, then a1 equals to nct, a2 equals to nct plus 1, a3 equals to nct plus 2, a4 equals to nct plus 3. So a1 upon a1 plus a2 equals to nct upon nct plus 1 plus nct plus 2. So 1 upon 1 plus n minus r upon r plus 1 equals to r plus 1 upon n plus 1. Similarly a2 upon a2 plus a3 r plus 3 upon n plus 1. a3 upon a3 plus a4 equals to plus a1 plus a1 plus a2 equals to 2r plus 4 upon n plus 1. So 2 upon r plus 1 into n plus 1 or 2a2 upon a2 plus a3. Hence good. Next example. Find out which one is larger, 99.50 plus 100 power of 50 or 101 power of 50. Solution. Let's try the out 101.50 power of 50 minus 99 power of 50 in terms of remaining terms. 101.50 minus 199 power of 50 equals to 100 plus 1 power of 50 minus 100 minus 1 power of 50. So C0 100 power of 50 plus C1 100 power of 49 plus C2 100 power of 48 and so on equals to C0 100 power of 50 minus C1 100 power of 40 plus C2 100 power of 48 and so on, or 2 into C1 into 100 power of 49 plus C3 into 100 power of 47 and so on, or 2 into 50 into 100 power of 49 plus C3 into 100 power of 47 and so on. So equals to 100 power of 50 plus 2 into C3 100 power of 47 plus so on. So greater than equals to 100 power of 50 or 101 power of 50 greater than 99 power of 50 plus 100 power of 50. Next example. Find the value of greatest term in the expansion of root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3 power of 20. Solution. Let tr plus 1 be the greatest term, then tr less than tr plus 1 greater than tr plus 2. Consider tr plus 1 greater than tr. So 20 cr multiply 1 upon root 3 power of r greater than 20 cr minus 1 multiply 1 upon root 3 power of r minus 1. Or if we simplify it, we get r less than 7.686. Similarly, considering tr plus 1 greater than tr plus 2, we get r greater than 6.69. From first and second, we get r equals to 7. So greatest term t is 8 equals to 2584019. Next example. Find the coefficient of x power of 50 in the expansion of 1 plus x power of 1000 plus 2x into 1 plus x power of 999 plus 3x square into 1 plus x power of 998 and dash plus 100 into x power of 10,000. s equals to 1 plus x power of 1000 plus 2x into 1 plus x power of 999 and up to 100 into x power of 999 into 1 plus x plus 100 into x power of 1000. This is an arithmetic geometric series with r equals to x upon x 1 plus x and d equals to 1. And now x upon 1 plus x into s equals to x into 1 plus x power of 999 plus 2x square 1 plus x power of 998 up to 1000 into x power of 10,000 plus 1000 into x power of 1001 upon 1 plus x. Subtracting, we get 1 upon x into x plus 1 into s equals to 1 plus x power of 1000 plus x into 1 plus x power of 999 plus up to x power of 1000 minus x 1001 into x power of 1000 upon 1 plus x. So s equals to 1 plus x power of 1001 plus x into 1 plus x power of 1000 plus x square 1 plus x power of 999 up to x power of 1000 into 1 plus x minus 1001 into x power of 1001. This GP and sum is s equals to 1 up plus x power of 1002 minus x power of 1002 minus 1002 into x power of 1000. So the coefficient x power of 50 is 1002 xc 50. इस तरह से डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया सकते हैं। तो ये इसका बेसिक मेथड है। तो बहुत सारे एग्जांपल हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स हमारे पास। इस तरह से ये लेक्चर कंप्लीट होता है। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।